Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious poached eggs using your Kent egg boiler. First, ensure your boiler is clean and ready. You will need fresh eggs and the boiler's measuring cup. For soft poached eggs, fill the measuring cup to the 30 milliliter mark with water. This precise amount helps achieve the perfect consistency. Now, let's prepare your eggs for poaching. Gently crack each egg into one of the individual poaching cups provided with your Kent egg boiler. Be very careful not to break the yolk, as this helps maintain the classic poached egg appearance. Once cracked, place the poaching cups firmly into the designated slots on the boiler tray. With your eggs ready, it's time to cook. Pour the 30 milliliters of water directly onto the heating plate at the base of your Kent egg boiler. Next, carefully place the poaching tray containing your eggs over the heating plate. Securely put the lid on the boiler, then simply switch it on. The boiler will cook your eggs for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Your delicious poached eggs are now ready. Once the boiler indicates cooking is complete, carefully lift the poaching tray out. Using a spoon, gently slide each perfectly cooked poached egg onto your plate. They should have firm whites and a runny yolk. Serve them immediately on toast with avocado or any of your favorite breakfast accompaniments. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.